Latchaw, Montgomery, and Peck, independent sales representative. I'm a multi-line seller and pride ourselves on representing some top manufacturers in the industry. I'd like to talk a little bit about our company. We are 10 employees operating out of Malvern, Pennsylvania. We pride ourselves on applying the products we sell, helping you as individuals and salespeople, as well as providing just good customer service. The two lines I'm going to talk about today are AD vendors, and we're proud that our manufacturers are part of AD and your marketing program. To start, Turbo Torch has a good line, broad line of torch equipment to join alloys and metals. There we go.
Get better.
Anyhow, this is really the same presentation I gave last year, so I'll go through it fairly quickly because I know the retention of you guys are pretty good.
Really?
They are 9 selling features that really go across our whole line. You know, the swirl tip design is what Turbo Torch patented itself on. They do keep the heat on target. I'll talk a little bit about that, but it's really dependability and safety in our equipment that's kept us around for 4 decades. There we go. To get started, Turbo Torch is a part of a larger company. It's a Thermodyne. It's a world leader in cutting and welding, as well as brazing alloy. Right here we show a picture of the turbo product. This is air acetylene we're showing here. It shows a compact flame that keeps the heat on target. It's what heats your base metal up quickly without bleeding a lot of heat down the line. It helps the contractor do his job. Anyhow, the previous slide was the tote assembly that you guys have been selling successfully for the last year. We manufacture, if you see at the bottom of this picture, 4 different tote assemblies to carry our equipment. It adds for safety and convenience for the contractor. We're also showing a broad range of tip sizes and kits. They basically break into 2 categories: air liquid fuel, which is your LP and your MAP gas. They're the ones in the blue in the middle. And then air acetylene gas. When I say air, the reason I'm saying air is the largest portion of what we generate heat out of is 85% air, 15% fuel. That's one of the characteristics that give Turbo Torch its patented fuel-air combination. They've also broadened out into 2 different. I get that. They've broadened out and want us to sell some welding equipment. Again, I'm going to focus on this as a light commercial, hobby, maintenance operation because we don't want to compete with the welding supply houses that get into the bigger equipment. Just know that this is available to you, and we will run promotions throughout the year. What they're trying to do for us is package things to make it user-friendly, because you might be selling it to somebody that is just getting into it or wants to use it sparingly. They might want a package so that they get everything they need to use it correctly and safely. The markets we're going after are maintenance and repair, light industrial, and hobbyists. The torch equipment you sell here, really they just focus on safety, and that's why they are a 4-decade leader in this equipment. Okay, that's it for Turbo Torch. Jim also gave me a second topic, and that was the Campbell filtration. to talk about. Can we get this? Go ahead. I have to get different powers on there. Should be under Baker Water Systems. When you guys look on your sheets today, you're going to see Campbell. That's it right there. It's really a good segue for me to introduce the parent company now, which is Baker Manufacturing Company. So when you see Campbell, just know that Campbell is a part of Baker Manufacturing, which is part of Baker Water Systems. And we're in several different businesses. I kind of put a collage of pictures up here to show what we are. You might think of us as stainless steel clamps. We are the largest redistributor of ideal stainless steel clamps. We also have brass and stainless steel insert fittings, as well as water filtration. Part of one of our divisions is 8 pumps, which you know us as hydromatic pumps and some other pump lines. We have pitless adapters for industry and also underground frost-free hydrants. Yes. The Baker facility is in Evansville, Indiana. It's 280,000 square feet and about 150 to 175 employees at that facility. Know that we are a foundry as well. We take it from billet to the foundry to the machine shop and produce our industrial pitless adapters. And then we also make pump stations and booster stations out of that. The Hate Pump Division runs out of this facility. Again, since we are a foundry on the ferrous metal side, we do cast our own housings for the pumps and make those from 3 to 1,200 gallons per minute. It's just another picture of our pumps. These are gear pumps versus centrifugal pumps. Division that we can talk about more about at the table. One of the things we do in our foundry is we make industrial pitless adapters that go into almost any major city that has wells. We make the water safe and potable to get from in the ground to the water treatment plant. And then what you see here is a saxophone-looking thing is one of our pitless adapters tied into a little reservoir and a turbine pump that we can make a booster station out of. So it's with a very little reservoir, we can boost pressure from a water tower on up the stream to plants or to subdivisions. Again, it's sort of a broad array. Campbell falls under the Baker division. I'm going to highlight the water filtration side of things. That comes out of Bechtelsville, Pennsylvania. So we are a local company. It's an 82,000 square foot facility that houses our environmental and our well accessories. We have probably about 50 employees in this facility. 7 or 8 folks in customer service to help you out. One of the things we do here, we do machine PVC pipe. I mean, Carvel is where they get a lot of their pipe because they do use it in the environmental field and they want it to be clean. They don't want discoloration or any contamination. They have the ability to take and machine thread onto PVC pipe, so it's flush thread. You can join pipes together without bell ends or solvent weld. They also have the ability to slot the pipe into tenths and hundredths for environmental use and environmental wells. They can also perforate pipe. You find applications for that. You might best know us for down the well accessories. It's not your main business, but know that insert fittings and filtration is what we do as well. Jim wanted me to point this out. With filtration, we've had 30 years experience, and we manufacture these filler housings up in the Bechtelsville location. It does anything from residential filtration to light commercial. We have housing sizes on the residential side, 1/2 inch through 1.5 inches. Our main cartridges are 2.5 inches diameter, and we also heavy duty cartridges fit in the what's called heavy duty housing that are 4.5 inches. You can look for applications where they have point of use filtration, reverse osmosis, to scale inhibitor, or taste and odor point of use. That's what we have up there in the upper left-hand corner. I'm going to have at our table for further discussion filler cartridge sizing charts. Looks like. And because you are an industrial house, you're going to run into some applications where you're going to want to go bigger, and you're going to want to go hot or cold water filtration. You'll need stainless steel housings, and Campbell has an affiliation with Hermsco Filters, and they are promoting the Hurricane series cartridges they go from anywhere from 20 gallons a minute up to in the hundreds of gallons per minute. They're quick, easy change, and the housings are available in pipe thread size or flange connections. Another version of the stainless steel housing are the multiple tube cartridges, and they are also available. We'll talk more about this when I see you guys at the table. Appreciate the opportunity to be here today. So, see you then. Thanks.
Thank you.